Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chaos Girl, this is your Yashashwini and welcome back to another new video. You know there are many things which are more important जो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, इसलिए I came with this video. Like these are the mistakes which I did and also I feel like you guys also will do these mistakes. Like no bakwas in this video. Point was explanation बस और explanation भी इतना लंबा नहीं होगा और ये video भी इतना लंबा नहीं होगा. I know you guys will be busy. Like आप लोगों को बिल्कुल भी time नहीं होगा, इसलिए this video will not be so long. So no bakwas, get into the video. मैंने लेकर आई मेरी डायरी को. सो आज विल सी लाइक आई हैव रिटन इट लाइक आई डू दिस ऑल द पॉइंट्स विच आई डिड राइट. सो येस, द नंबर 1 पॉइंट इज डू नॉट टेक बैचेस. येस, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज. लाइक आप लोगों को टाइम नहीं होगा. आई मीन डू नॉट टेक बैचेस नहीं भाई, लेकिन आप इफ़ यू फील लाइक आप लोग बैच के साथ आपकी बैकलॉग्स, आपकी सेल्फ स्टडी सब कुछ मैनेज कर सकते हैं तो यू रियली कैन टेक बैच. लेकिन इफ़ यू आर एबल टू मैनेज यू कैन टेक. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज डोंट वेस्ट मनी गाइज. सो और दूसरा विल बी yes sir, do not think like I have seen many people, you know, अरे यार मैं 10 मिनट रेस्ट ले लेती हूँ, you know, their friends or teachers say like lazy मत हो. Guys, rest taking is not lazy. You really have to take rest, have some breaks, have some particular period of like read for 25 minutes and take 10 minutes of break. It's like you can take breaks, have a break आपको आपकी brain भी refresh हो जाए. So another this is like one of the thing which I literally didn't take rest guys. This is a mistake which I did. और taking batch was my very bad mistake. मैंने batch ले लिया और I didn't do anything. Like I couldn't manage my school timings and all this stuff. So yes, and another thing would be, yes, I have already told you guys like in my previous videos, don't, you know, if you are practicing PYQs, do not practice PYQs without timer. I recommend you guys, I'm saying it again, like just like understand guys क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं इतनी बार मतलब प्रैक्टिस करो PYQs, लेकिन टाइमर के बिना बर्बाद हो जाएंगे भाई साहब. रियली प्रैक्टिस विद टाइमर सो दैट यू कैन अडॉप्ट टाइम मैनेजमेंट. और दूसरा होगा यस, हम लोग इतनी यू नो सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना है, सिलेबस कंप्लीट, इस चक्कर में हम इतना पढ़ जाते हैं ना, वी रियली फॉरगॉट टू रिवाइज थिंग्स. यू नो वंस यू आर लर्निंग इट, अरे आप मेमोराइज कर रहे हैं और यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग एनीथिंग, जस्ट रिवाइज. रिविजन इज ऑल्सो डैम इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे मेरे से पूछो तो रिविजन ओनली इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू रिडिंग दिस चैप्टर, रिवाइज इन रेगुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. विदाउट रिविजन जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग इट्स बर्बाद यार, इट्स जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. सो थोड़ा सा टाइम भी रख लो यार रिविजन के लिए, विच आई डिडंट डू, लाइक लिटरली आई डिडंट डू गाइज. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ आप लोगों को, प्लीज डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम जस्ट बाय रीडिंग. कंप्लीट सिलेबस कंप्लीट होने से कुछ भी नहीं आती है भाई. रिविजन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, रोट लिख कर रही हूँ मैं. रिविजन इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. And another thing would be, and you know, math is like my weak subject, and I got like really good marks because of my regular practice. I suggest you guys to practice math regularly. Hi bhai, बढ़िया बोलेंगे आपके पापा मम्मा सब कुछ बोलेंगे math. Yes, if you are weak, if your parents don't say, but आपके अगले SST teacher or any another subject teacher would be saying why math करना है, because math is not easy. CBSE में math तो बिल्कुल easy नहीं होने वाली है भाई, until and unless you practice. So and also to-do list. Yes, if you have seen my old videos, you guys know that मैं whenever I start my study session, I write to-do list, and also I'm sure that you guys also do that. Making your to-do list. I'm sure if you don't make like this much करने में कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा भाई, इतना to-do list मत कर यार. At least write 3 things. At least you try to complete these 3 things in a day. Do not be lazy guys. Are you like 10 really chapters to complete in one particular day, you're not able to do. So जितना भी आप लिखो 1 2 3 4, अरे ये एक भी लिख दो यार. At least try to complete एक. You'll be satisfied and pick off the thing that gives you motivation. This is called self motivation, and you don't search for motivation anywhere. So I just suggest you guys to do only like not like very long sitting hours. Just make 5 or 6, like make some not very long to-do list. ज़्यादा करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है भाई, कम करो लेकिन अच्छे से करो. Don't waste your time बस. And also before अगर before your 10th class you're free, like now अभी summer vacations पे हो आप, like you search for the teacher. If you really don't Prashant Kirat sir है next stop say he is the best teacher for science. If you get to understand his type like his type of teaching, you are really addicted to him. Select him as your science teacher. I mean virtual में तो if you want to just read from only one science teacher, not from everyone, from her, she sir, don't change. Just one teacher. You're adopting his style. You are liking his style of teaching. Just adopt him. Just choose him before your 10th start itself. Like if you're in 9th grade, this is a great time to do. Please select your teacher. And also guys, select your books. In the middle of the time guys, you'll be forgetting. I was in a position like I couldn't even able to choose this. There are many books, Oswald, Educat, like there are many books, and I literally forgot. I mean not forgot, I was literally confused. क्या book ले लूँ मैं, which book? Everyone is saying every book is good, and what book should I purchase? What should I purchase first of all? इसलिए just do good inquiry before your 10th class. Don't get confused in the middle. So just purchase that book and you can practice. And also the another thing is, yes guys, हम we complete syllabus, लेकिन जब हम revision कर लेते हैं ना, revision should be done, and right after revision you have to practice questions. Can I say something? In science chemistry I have also said in my first video like chemistry में तो इतना ज़्यादा questions practice करने का करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन physics में तो you really have to do. After revising all the definitions, you just go and practice some questions from any source. PYQs practice कर ले, from any source book you just practice, because don't do it when you कल exams और आज practice करिए, never होने वाली है. Just I was in that position, इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, just practice practice right after completing revision, or like not at the end, not in like not at the end guys, kal exam hai aur aaj nahi, at the initial stage itself practice numericals. This is what I just want to give. And also another last tip, do not take stress. And also these are tip guys, you know, there PT1 PT2 RT1 हमारी school में तो periodic test, revision test, there are many and also there are many exams which will be conducted by our schools, and we do score less marks. Even a topper do not score, you know, always highest marks. So you know, I cried a lot. I just, even if I imagine myself on the initial stage of my 10th class, I literally laugh, I literally scold myself. Was it me? Yes, I was. It was me. It was only me, because I have cried. Like initial stage, you are just at initial stage guys. Initial stage पे ही हो आप. There are many months. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लाइट ले लो बोर्ड्स को, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Don't cry, don't overreact, don't cry. मतलब हम रो जाती है. We keep we put ourselves in a stressful situation. We hurt ourselves. It's very traumatic to listen. It was very traumatic for even our teachers because of me. And you should never be traumatized because of our exams. You should never ever, because of our exams and marks, you should never be traumatized. So इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, you are just at the initial stage. Just put your I'm an initial stage. I'll still work hard until boards. That's all. Just want to say boards के बाद you can take rest guys. लेकिन if it's not now, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं होगा भाई. अभी नहीं तो really कभी नहीं होगा. So just put it in your mind. After boards you can really chill. That's what I want to say guys. See you tomorrow. This will be like another location because I'm going to my village, like hometown. Guys, I hope you have really liked this video. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel Chaos Girl. And see you next video which is coming of course tomorrow guys. Do you guys love my consistency? Please tell me because I'm loving it very, very, very much. Bye bye. See you next video.